Sinbad and the Gigantic Bird. Sinbad was a sailor who had a lot of strange adventures. Once he was in a deserted island when he saw a shiny white dome in the distance. When he went closer to it, he found that it was a huge egg. Sinbad wondered what bird could lay such a big egg. Just then there was a loud flapping sound, and the gigantic bird flew down and sat on the egg. Sinbad got a brilliant idea. He quietly went and sat close to the bird's legs. He thought, when the bird flies away, she will carry me with her. Just as he had hoped, the bird flew off early the next morning, and Sinbad held the bird's feet. When they flew over the Valley of Diamonds, Sinbad jumped down. He quickly picked up a few large diamonds and walked till he reached the nearest town. There he sold the diamonds and earned enough money to live comfortably for many years. The Snowman. What a lot of fun we've had in the snow today, cried Mary as she, her brother and sister came into their cottage. Brr, it was cold though. My hands are frozen, remarked Kate. I loved rolling the snow into balls and then making snowmen out of them, said Peter with satisfaction. Children, come and have hot milk and bread, then off to bed, said their mother. The tired children went to their rooms and were soon fast asleep. During the night, Peter got up to have a drink of water. He looked out of the window and was frightened to see some men standing in their garden. He crept up to his parents' room. Wake up, Dad, he whispered. I think there are thieves outside. Startled, his father picked his torch up and crept out. As he shone his torch, he burst out laughing. Peter, these thieves are the snowmen you built today. The Short Dollar Saloon. The small town of Hope was full of cowboys, prospectors, and criminals. New people passed through the town almost every day. Because of this, fights were common. One day, a stranger walked into a saloon and sat at the bar. Two of the local cowboys decided to pick a fight with him. Never seen you here before, said one. Probably just rolled in from the country, I reckon, said the other. Let him be. He's too scared even to talk to us. The stranger casually took out a dollar coin from his pocket and tossed it in the air. Before anyone realized what he was doing, he drew a gun from his holster and shot the coin while it was still in the air. No one had seen such excellent shooting before. The cowboys ran away scared. From that day, the saloon came to be known as the Short Dollar Saloon. The house next door. It was the first day of the holidays and Nathan had fallen ill. For 2 days, Nathan was too ill to do much except sleep. On the third day, however, he felt much better. From his room, Nathan had a clear view of the house next door. It had been empty for months, so Nathan was surprised to see a small red van drive there that morning. Within 5 minutes, the van drove away. Nathan wondered, why would the van stop at that empty house? He decided to watch the house carefully. Around noon, he heard a scream and saw a scrap of green ribbon fluttering from the upstairs window. He was sure it had not been there before. Nathan immediately called the police and told them everything. They found that a little girl had been kidnapped and hidden in the house next door. But because of Nathan, she was rescued.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.